to a thank you message to be given to us by Carl Emil A. Ferrer, one of our kindergarten pupils.
Regarding graduation, kayo po bang nagsasabi ko lang? Kasi po magkakaroon po tayo na magiging sure na lang po natin yung last week na sa kaya hanggang sa umabot na po yung
A pleasant afternoon to all. Our meeting stars and President, Mr. John P. Franco, and President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Cristina D. Rivera, Administrator, Head of the P. Elementary Department, Alan P. Piesa, Elementary Principal, Secretary Fernandez. And to my coaches, Teacher Marcel P. Vicencio and Teacher Thea P. Nicha, teachers, staff, parents, guests, and classmates. Thank you all for being here today. This is a special day for me and my friends, and I am very happy to share it with you. First, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the administrators and teachers who make our school a wonderful place to learn and grow. From the very first day, they welcomed us with open arms and helped us feel at home. To my classmates, thank you for being such good friends. I enjoy every moment we spend together to make our school an exciting place. I also want to extend a heartfelt thank you to my daddy Amil de la Cruz Ferrer and mommy Carla Diaz Vela for working abroad for my future. You work hard to provide for me, and I know that your sacrifices are for my future. I would also want to give a very special thank you to my mommy Che. I'm very lucky to have you in my life. To my classmates, as we move on to grade 1, let us remember to always try our best. Be kind and support one another. Thank you. Congratulations to GCQ. God bless us all.
Thank you very much for your heartfelt message, Carl Emil Ferrer. And now,